Hello everyone, I'm Rich. Now I'm in our factory. Today I will introduce the online office system. As we know, we have two factories. We take much time in communication. So it's a big problem in the production process. So we use the online office system. In this system, we can use electric drawings like this and this. Our workers can look at the drawings and finish their work. And when they finish their work, they will write on the recording shot. Let's look at this. This look including the quantity and working area, including welding area, laser cutting area, and bending area, rolling area, and the operator, date, and opening time, ending time, and working hours. When he rests on this, and the manager will check it. And so through this system, our workers with different departments can work efficiently in time, and our planners can arrange production process faster, and the manager of the factory can control the whole process production and more directly, and this time improve our production efficiency and have a high quality in our work. Okay, this is the system.